Tiruchi.
Sir, my notice was on SIR, sir, and we have been insisting. One minute, sir. Kindly give 1 minute. Sir, you read out an observation that so many hours have been wasted during question hour and 0 hours, which we are also concerned. We are very much interested in having. But the responsibility of smooth functioning does not lie only with the opposition parties, it's also with the treasury benches. What we are insisting is the SIR special intensive.
No, sir, it's
Sir, please, kindly. No, it will affect all the states, sir. We are concerned and we are asking for a discussion. Give us a time. We are prepared to cooperate. But they are not giving the time, sir.
You both parties.
Sir, at the time, you have to, sir. Sir, you are the custodian of the house. The ruling party has to give a time. We shall sit together, we will discuss, and we will cooperate for the smooth functioning.
It will be earnest request. Both sides, you sit and decide.
That's it. We want only time, the date.
That's all. Over.
Pramodji.
That's over. Please, it's over. Sir. Please.
साफ अनुरोध करना चाहता हूं कि 267 जो नोटिसेस दी हैं सारे लगभग विपक्षी दलों ने, उसमें एक बात बड़ी महत्वपूर्ण है, शायद उस पर नजर आपकी नहीं गई, वरना आप तुरंत स्वीकार कर लेते क्योंकि आप इंटेलिजेंट हैं.
It's not going on record. We are not discussing it.
सर
आप
सर मैं तो आपकी तारीफ कर रहा हूं.
नहीं, मुझे तारीफ ना करें. फैक्चुअल स्थिति है.
मेरी बात तो सुने. मेरी सर, ये सदन राज्यसभा जो है,
ऑनरेबल द चेयरमैन की रूलिंग है, इस पर कोई बहस नहीं हो सकती.
नहीं, मेरी बात तो सुने. अरे मेरी बात तो सुने. जो मैं नई बात कह रहा हूं, न्यू थिंग,
आपको असर दिया,
न्यू, वही तो कह रहा हूं. हाँ. मेरा ये कहना है, ये क्या है सर, जो नई बात है वो ये है कि ये है काउंसिल ऑफ स्टेट. काउंसिल ऑफ स्टेट में हम जो इलेक्ट होते हैं वो एमएलए इलेक्ट करते हैं, नॉमिनेटेड को छोड़ दें तो. सर, अब बिहार हो या बंगाल हो, दूसरे राज्य हो, यहाँ विधायकों का चुनाव में जा रहा है, तो इसलिए बात.
थैंक यू. नॉट गोइंग ऑन रिकॉर्ड नाउ. Susmit Patra,
heinous crimes against women and girl children is happening repeatedly.
Please, thank you. It's not. No, it's not. I will not do it. Please. John Britas.
Sir, I fully agree with you. An issue which is with the Supreme Court need not be discussed. But I request you that let us discuss maintaining the sanctity of elections in this country.
Thank you.
Let us decide that.
You know, Election Commission is a constitutional body, और उस पर डिस्कस करने के there are provisions. Please, let us now take. I will request. It's please 0 hour. Sri P. Wilson, Mr. P. Wilson, you talk. That will go on the record.
Thank you, Chairman,
Mr.
sir.
P. Wilson.
It has been 8 long years. 8 union budgets have come and gone. The cost of living has skyrocketed. And economic conditions have changed dramatically. The income ceiling for Juggernaut is 463 million.
Please, Sushmita ji, please allow your members. Please.
Sir, let the house be in order, sir.
I'm already requesting you. Please also request your colleagues. Tiruchi, your member is speaking. Give protection to him. Please, I request you. So you are not interested?
No, I'm interested, but the house has to be set in order.
Please.
Chairman, sir, the house has to be set in order.
I'm already requesting you. आप सब जब बैठेंगे तभी
let the house be set in order because they are asking for a special intensive revision to be discussed. Yes, Chairman, sir, 1 minute, Chairman, sir. No, only 1 minute, Chairman, sir. They are asking for.
House will meet at 12 noon today.